Hello dear students, my name is Lucky Ahuja and I am your EVS teacher. So students, we started learning chapter 1, understanding our relations. We already completed 3 parts of this chapter and now today we are starting part 4 of this chapter, and the part 4 is named Who Resembles with Whom. So let's start our part 4. Sanjana and her sister Pinky went to her uncle's marriage with her sister. There she met her aunt also. So Sanjana and her sister Pinky, they went to a marriage, his uncle's marriage, and so both of them went together there, and there she met her aunt also. Her aunt was carrying her little daughter in her lap. So her aunt was carrying her little daughter in her lap. So here you can see it in this picture. This is Pinky. It's Pinky's mother and this is Pinky's aunt. So Pinky, her mother and aunt, you can see. So her aunt is carrying a baby in her lap. So let's move. Pinky said, "Mom, look, she is so beautiful. Oh, look, her nose resembles the grandma's nose. Her eyes are like those of her uncle. Her fair complexion is that of grandpa, while the complexion of her brother's face is slightly dark." So here we came to know that when Sanjana, her sister Pinky, her mother, all of them went to uncle's marriage, there her aunt was carrying a baby in her lap, and Pinky, while looking at the baby, said, "Mom, look, she's so beautiful." So Pinky said that the baby is so beautiful. Now she started telling about the resemblance of the physical features of the baby. So she said that her nose resembles the grandma's nose. Her eyes are like those of her uncle, and her fair complexion is that of grandpa, and the complexion of her brother is slightly dark. So students, you must have came across this situation that some of your relative came and said that your nose matches nose of grandfather or grandmother or father, your eyes are like your aunt, bua or mausi. So here we come to know that usually when a child is born and he or she is growing, in that case the near ones, the relatives, just see the resemblance with other family members. Let's move. So now you have to draw this table. This table is also been taken from your book, so you can draw it with the help of your book also. So you have to draw this table in your notebook. So here in this column physical characteristics are mentioned, and here you have to write that whom you are having resemblance with. So students, you have to ask your relatives, your parents, your aunts, your uncles or any one of them, and then you have to mention that whom do you resemble with, that your face resembles with whom, your eyes resembles with whom, your nose resembles with whom, your hairs resembles with whom, your ears resembles with whom, and your complexion resembles with whom. So you have to do this task on your own. You have to take help from your relatives or your parents, and then you have to show this table to your parents or teachers. Sanjana asked her mother, "Mom, my classmate Anjali writes with the left hand and her handwriting is very good. She is also awarded for the same. So Sanjana now was asking her mother that there's a classmate named Anjali, and Anjali writes with her left hand, and she is having beautiful handwriting, and she is also awarded for her handwriting. I asked her, so Sanjana asked her, why don't you write with your right hand? We all write with our right hand. So Sanjana was curious enough. She asked Anjali that why don't you write with your right hand? All of us write with our right hand. So dear students, this is the situation where a person who is having different characteristics is mentioned. तो बच्चों यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं कि पहली परिस्थिति आपने देखी कि जब ये सब लोग पिंकी, संजना, उसकी मम्मी सब शादी में गए तो वहाँ उनकी जो आंट थी, उनकी जो एक चाची थी, उनके हाथ में एक छोटा सा बच्ची थी और उस बच्ची को देखकर पिंकी कहने लगी कि इसकी नाक ग्रैंड मदर से, दादी से मिलती है, इसका जो रंग है वो दादाजी से मिलता है, और इस तरीके से वो उसकी पहचान को किसी ना किसी सगे संबंधी से जोड़ रही थी। और यहाँ आप देख रहे हो कि अब संजना अपनी मम्मी से पूछती है कि मेरी क्लास में जो अंजलि है, मेरी कक्षा में जो अंजलि है, वो तो अपने बाएं हाथ से लिखती है, हम सब अपने सीधे हाथ से या दाएं हाथ से लिखते हैं, और मैंने अंजलि से पूछा कि तुम बाएं हाथ से क्यों लिखती हो, जबकि हम सब तो अपने सीधे हाथ से दाएं हाथ से लिखते हैं। तो यहाँ आपने देखा कि संजना ने ये पाया कि अंजलि की जो हैंड राइटिंग है, उसका हस्तलेख है, वो बहुत सुंदर है, जबकि वो सबसे अलग हाथ से लिखती है। सो लेट्स मूव स्टूडेंट्स। She replied, so Anjali replied to Sanjana that I do all my work with my left hand. I even tried to write with my right hand, but I was unable to do it. So finally Anjali told Sanjana that I do all my work with my left hand. I'm not able to do the things with my right hand. She also said that I even tried to write with my right hand, but I was not able to do so. So this is the situation, dear students, that some people are only able to work through their left hand. So this tendency is named as left-handedness, while other people, like maximum of us, are able to write and do all our tasks through our right hand, and this tendency is named as right-handedness. So dear students, again there is a table which is mentioned in your book. You have to draw this table in your notebook, and what you have to do, here are some habits. In this column some habits are mentioned, and here resemblance with family members. So which family member you are having resemblance with, you have to mention. So your habits also match or resemble with your family members. As you can see, you must have heard many times that he or she likes this thing, her father also like this thing. So here there are some habits mentioned, like way of talking, way of walking, and mannerisms. So you have to mention that your way of talking resembles with whom or which family member, your way of walking resembles with whom or which family member, and your mannerism resembles with which family member. So this task you have to do. So here in this part I have provided you two tasks. You have to complete two tables, and after completing those tables you have to show the completed tables to your parents and your teachers. So dear students, it was all about this part. Here we came to know that we resemble a lot with our family members in our physical characteristics as well as in our हैबिट्स। तो बच्चों यहाँ इस भाग में आपने देखा कि हमारी कई विशेषताएं हमारे परिवार के अन्य लोगों से या हमारे संबंधियों से मिलती जुलती होती हैं, और कई बार कुछ लोगों की कोई विशेषता बिल्कुल अलग होती है। जैसे हमने अंजलि के बारे में देखा कि जहाँ सब सीधे हाथ से लिखते हैं, अंजलि उल्टे हाथ से लिखती है और बहुत ही सुंदर लिखती है। तो बच्चों आज के लिए इतना ही। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज ऑल फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट।